up, savages? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm stupid because I just started vlogging the beginning of this, and then I was deleting all the clips from yesterday that I vlogged, and then now I started deleting the clips that I already did this morning. So now I'm gonna have to redo everything that I did, which wasn't that much, but like I did a sick montage on the car over here. I did like a sick montage on it. I think it's sick. Oh yeah, we can't show you the nitrous. Yeah, we can't show you the nitrous, so I'll probably blur that out. I'm just joking, guys. So yeah, we can do that montage right now. And I'm gonna be able to set up my camera in the car for when we're driving to like a car show, because we have a car show today, and that's why we're cleaning up the car and stuff for the car show. Nice chop chop. Booby. Booby. Guess what? I'm not recording again. Besides, the camera screen's out, so yeah. It's out.
Yeah.
Are we going to car show?
I don't know. We're gonna try to.
Yay.
But
it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. I'll catch you guys at the car show if we go to the car show. So we made it to the car show. Hey, Daddy. That smile though. So we made it to the car show finally. What are you doing, Mommy? Hey, Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm gonna stuff my man purse in your dad's
Man purse?
business.
Man purse? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna fit in there. There ain't no way. No way that you can. So we got all these cars. All the cars go like all the way down there, so. Dad.
I guess I could have just brought the money.
They think their car is loud?
Ooh, what the heck?
What?
You don't know how to drive?
I wonder what. I don't know what to do.
Dad. Hey, Mom. Mom.
In the car.
On the top.
On the top.
Mom.
No, just take them out.
Look, they think their car is loud? Listen to this car.
It's about the same place we were last year. You know? Pretty sure it was. It is exactly right here.
You can walk.
What color is? What color? I kind of like that color.
I'm doing a time lapse, but some part. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse, but if I can't, then probably only a couple clips of this will be. Hey, where's
Somebody stole the engine.
Somebody stole the engine, dude. Like, are you psych? It's in the back. This Mustang is real nice. I like the color of this Mustang. I like this Mustang right here too.
Well, there's two of them, all sponsored by so they got the best.
Sounds like rain. There, right behind you.
You Bob Butler?
Yes.
Yeah. I worked with Bob for a year.
Feed the cows?
Yeah, that's the only thing I do. I feed them and I sell them, but I don't do that in the
Yes.
Oh, no.
Okay, sorry. Dude, you need to eat. You need to eat. Goodbye.
Oh, no.
Did you know that thing jumps out? Did you know that thing jumps out?
Is it?
I can see it. It has in its mouth. It's got electronic stuff in there in its
Go up there and
mouth.
see.
I'll be down there.
Go up there. I'm going up there.
Alrighty.
Get that on video. Oh yeah, I'll go up there.
You'll go up there?
Yep.
I'll vlog you going up there. I'm not going up there to get jumped at. I feel like it jumps at you because I can see the stuff in its mouth.
Ugly color.
I don't think it jumps out.
I can see something in his mouth. I don't know why. But we'll just see.
Spine.
Oh.
It's a dude's spine.
Oh.
Yeah, his neck.
That's what, and you got a neck like that too, you know?
Look at his pinky right there.
He's cool.
You need to eat. You literally need to eat right now. Like
He needs to eat a hamburger, huh?
The driver of that car.
Right.
I don't.
Needs to eat.
He needs to eat a hamburger.
Like it.
Okay, so you remember when I was like doing the vlog about my new camera at the concert thing, and I was talking about my grandpa made like a homemade three-wheeler? This is what it is. This is partial motorcycle, this is partial car. It's two things put together. Scooby-Doo. So there we go. Here we go, Maga. Wrap it up for my vlog today. I will see you guys tomorrow because it's almost every day, bro. Peace.